Let's go and talk about the basic operations that we have in Python, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and etc. So let's start with a definition of two variables. For example, a equal to 20 and b equal to 5. So I want to have a variable here to addition these two variables. I name it sum, and simply we can put a plus b. Then if I print that out, print sum, let's see what will happen. It will show us 25 here. 20 plus 5 will be 25. So the plus operation is simple and it's like something that we know about. Another one, minus. Let's have it like this. It will exactly same, not same. It's also a simple thing that we know that. Let me also print it out. And as you can see, we can see 25 for sum variable and 15 for minus variable. For to multiply these two variable, how can I do that? I can say a star here and b. With this operation, we can multiply a by b. Then what will be the output? 100. Let me print it out and let's run the application. As you can see, 100 will be our output. Another operation that I want to talk about is division. For example, let's put div as a name and a backslash b. What will be the output? Let's see. Let me remove these, or maybe add it at the end of the list. Let's save that. The output will be 4. 20 will be the division by 5 will be 4. Okay, we have another operation here for modulus. Let me put the name modulus for that. A and this symbol that we have for percentage, and then we should put b. What is the output of this variable? Let me print it out next to a div, and it will be 0. What's the difference? You should know about the division and modulus. With this backslash, we will calculate the division, and with this percentage sign, we will calculate the modulus. We just have another things here for power, exponentiation. So let me put a power by b. For multiply, we can put 1 star, and for power, we should put 2 star here between the variables. In this case, we'll calculate a power by b. And what is the output? Let's print it out, and you can see the output here. So I talked about the basic operation. Do we need that in programming? Of course, yes. In the future, if we want to calculate something, for example percentage, maybe you want to write a calculator. In many cases, you will need these basic operations. So they are not something very hard, and we can simply memorize them. But please make attention for the difference between the power and multiply. Multiply is 1 star and power will be 2 star here.